to 3 inches for most coastal valley areas in La Ventura counties, with 3 to 7 inches possible in the La County Mountains and Antelope Valley. For Santa Barbara and San Luis Obispo counties, estimated rainfall projections are expected to range between 0.1 and 0.50 inches, except 1 to 2 inches possible in the mountains and interior. Peak rainfall rates are generally expected range between 0.50 and 1.00 inches of rain, but high-resolution model data is indicating the potential for higher rates up to 1.5 inches per hour possible across the La County Mountains and Antelope Valley on Sunday evening. During this time, there will likely be optimal synoptic forcing interacting with deep tropical moisture. Precipitable water values are still expected to peak on Sunday night at around 2.50 inches, which would be 5 standard deviations from the mean for this time of year. Prepare for life-threatening flooding of small streams, creeks, arroyos, and ditches, as well as debris flows and burn scars. In addition, there will be the threat of rock and mudslides, especially in the mountains and canyons. Significant roadway flooding will be possible, causing dangerous driving conditions. There will be the potential for significant travel delays due to road closures and heavily flooded roadways. In addition, there will be the strong potential for swift water rescues on Sunday, as heavy rainfall will cause a rapid increase in flow across the river systems, especially and will weaken as it approaches southwestern California. This is a fairly high-confidence forecast, as both the EC and GFS ensemble track clusters are bunched tightly together. The center of what will be Tropical Storm Hilary is expected to pass near San Diego around 6 p.m. Sunday, then pass just to the east of Los Angeles County Sunday night. The exact track could still vary east or west by 20 miles, and even a small change could have significant ramifications to the forecasted weather. There is now high confidence that heavy rain and gusty winds to tropical storm force 40 to 50 miles an hour with gusts over 60 miles an hour possible in the mountains will affect the warning area. Because the wind direction is the same as a Santa Ana wind event, the area's typical southwestern California. Please see the latest hurricane local statement LOX. The system is now expected to move out pretty quickly after dawn on Monday, leaving clearing skies and a residual threat of thunderstorms across the interior. Winds will subside quickly as well. Max temps will mostly be in the mid-70s to mid-80s or about 6 to 12 degrees below normals. Long-term Wednesday, Saturday, March 19th, 21 a.m. The GFS and EC deterministic as well as the GFS and EPS ensembles are all in good agreement for the XTNV forecast. Long-wave troughing will cover the state on Tuesday. Skies will be mostly clear, save for partly cloudy skies over the mountains in the afternoon as some convection develops within the residual moisture over the mountains. This will lead to a slight CHC of thunderstorms over the highest peaks. For Wednesday through Friday, a very large and hot upper high over the Midwest will expand and increase heights through that period. The onshore gradients will be weak and the heights will be high. This will likely result in a night through late morning marine cloud layer that affect only the coast. Max temps will rise each day, reaching back to normals on Friday. The forecast for the Los Angeles County coast, including downtown Los Angeles, tonight. North winds 15 to 25 miles an hour in the afternoon. Miles an hour shifting to the east 20 to 30 miles an hour after midnight. Monday, showers likely and a chance of thunderstorming, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-70s to lower 80s. Southeast winds 15 to 25 miles an hour in Monday night, cloudy in the evening then partly cloudy. Lows in the lower to mid-60s. Tuesday, mostly cloudy in the morning then partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-70s to lower 80s. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Thursday, low clouds and fog in the morning then partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 70s to mid-80s. Thursday night, mostly clear early then low clouds and fog. Lows in the mid-60s. Friday, low clouds and fog in the morning then sunny. Highs in the upper 70s to mid-80s. Friday night, mostly clear early then low clouds and fog. Lows in the mid-60s. Saturday, low clouds and fog in the morning then sunny. Highs in the upper 70s and 80s. You're listening to NOAA weather radio station KWO37, broadcasting on a frequency of 162. The station is operated by the National Weather Service in Oxnard, California, and transmits from a tower on Mount Lukens in the San Gabriel Mountains. This broadcast is also relayed to a transmitter near Sandberg on a frequency of 162.425 MHz. A tropical storm warning. A tropical storm warning remains in effect for the Antelope Valley, Calabasas and Aguirre Hills, Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands, central Ventura County valleys, eastern Antelope Valley foothills, eastern San Fernando Valley, eastern San Gabriel Mountains, eastern Santa Monica Mountains, Los Angeles County beaches, Los Angeles County inland coast including downtown Los Angeles, Malibu coast, northern Ventura County mountains, northwestern Los Angeles County mountains including the Interstate 5 corridor, Palos Verde Hills, San Gabriel Valley, Santa Clarita Valley, Santa Susana Mountains, southeastern Ventura County valleys, southern Ventura County mountains, western Ventura County mountains, western Antelope Valley foothills, western San Fernando Valley, western San Gabriel Mountains including the Highway 14 corridor and western Santa Monica Mountains. A tropical storm warning. A tropical storm warning remains in effect for the Antelope Valley, Calabasas and Aguirre Hills, Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands, central Ventura County valleys, eastern Antelope Valley foothills, eastern San Fernando Valley, eastern San Gabriel Mountains, eastern Santa Monica Mountains, Los Angeles County beaches, Los Angeles County inland coast including downtown Los Angeles, Malibu coast, northern Ventura County mountains, northwestern Los Angeles County mountains including the Interstate 5 corridor, Palos Verde Hills, San Gabriel Valley, Santa Clarita Valley, Santa Susana Mountains, southeastern Ventura County valleys, southern Ventura County mountains, western Antelope Valley foothills, western San Fernando Valley, western San Gabriel Mountains including the Highway 14 corridor and western Santa Monica Mountains. This is a marine weather statement for the following inner waters from Point Mugu to San Mateo Point, California including Santa Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands. Gusty northeast winds ahead of weakening Hurricane Hilary could impact the Southern California bight and exposed locations on Catalina Island on Sunday. This will especially affect nearshore areas from Ventura to Santa Monica, including Santa Cruz and Anacapa Islands. These winds also have the potential to move through the San Pedro Channel and impact most of the unprotected front side of Catalina Island, including Avalon and Two Harbors. There is the potential for Hilary to take a slightly more western track, and if this were to happen, the seas impacting the area would be larger than forecast. These conditions have a history of vessel damage and loss of life. Mariners should avoid these areas or remain in safe harbor until conditions improve. Avalon Harbor should not be considered safe harbor during this event. A flood watch. A flood watch is in effect for Los Angeles County Sunday morning through Monday morning. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? Los Angeles County. When? From Sunday morning through Monday morning. Impacts. Excessive runoff from expected heavy rain may result in flooding of creeks, roads, urban areas, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Low water crossings may be flooded. Of particular concern is the Antelope Valley and San Gabriel Mountains travel on Sunday into Monday, especially in the mountains and deserts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. A flood watch. A flood watch is in effect for Ventura County and a portion of Santa Barbara County Sunday afternoon through Monday morning. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? Ventura County and a portion of Santa Barbara County when? From Sunday afternoon through Monday morning. Impacts. Excessive runoff from expected heavy rain may result in flooding of creeks, roads, urban areas, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Low water crossings may be flooded. Additional details. Tropical system Hilary will move over Southern California and bring the potential for heavy rain and thunderstorms. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood avoid travel on Sunday into Monday, especially in the mountains. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Tropical storm warning for all of Los Angeles County, as well as the mountains, valleys, and foothills of Ventura County. Situation overview. Hurricane Hilary will weaken to a tropical storm as it approaches Southern California later this weekend. The risk for flash flooding continues to increase across the region, with rare and dangerous flooding possible across the mountains and deserts. Strong, tropical, storm force winds are expected Sunday into Monday, especially over the mountains, valleys, and foothills of Los Angeles and Ventura counties. Here is the latest weather synopsis. The center of Hurricane Hilary, now a Cat 2 storm, is centered off the coast of southern Baja, with a significant influx of moisture moving into Southern California well ahead of the main system. This has resulted in thunderstorm activity today across our mountains and deserts to the east and north of our forecast area. However, increasing moisture and instability will bring a good chance of thunderstorms this afternoon and evening across the